So what's going on YouTube? Today's video is how to install these entry puddle lights on the Audi S3. Today's video is how to install the Audi entry puddle lights. These bad boys here. Yep. So today's video we're going to be installing these in the rear doors. So literally it should be pretty straightforward. Audi puddle lights. So the front ones came with them, with the O-rings on them, but the back didn't. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright YouTube, welcome back. So today's video, what we're going to be installing are these Audi O-rings. So as you can see, the front came with them, but the back didn't. Yeah, bloody cheapskates. No joke. So we're going to put them on the back today. So here they are. There you are. Yep. Alright, so let's get into it. This should be a pretty straightforward job, so let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the standard puddle light. Yeah, so when we take this out, this is what we're getting taken out today. Yeah. See? There we are, just clips out, simple things, yeah? Hook this in, clip it out. There's like a little groove there anyway, I don't know if you can see. It's like a little groove for this to clip in. Pick it out, and then you've got a clip here. You've got one clip here that needs to get taken out, so let's do that. Simple. So here we are. Yeah, this is the brand new one. That's the brand new one. So as you can see, Audi O-rings there. Audi O-rings. So let's go ahead and clip this in. Look at that, oh my god, absolutely brilliant. So let's have a look. Simple, this makes the car look so much better. Look at that, absolutely brilliant. Let's do the other side. And there you are guys, as you can see, finished product. The O-rings. Makes the car look 10 times better.